Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the HDRI file into After Effects and placing it in a new composition. This is where lighting originates. Make sure your project color settings are set to a linear working space so brightness maps correctly, and convert the comp to 32-bit float if you need full dynamic range. Once done, create a new light probe or 3D layer to hold the HDRI. This first step ensures your reflections and exposure behave predictably as you proceed. Now you map the HDRI to your scene. Apply it as an environment or skybox layer and attach it to a light probe or the comp background so 3D layers sample it for reflections. Rotate the HDRI to align highlights with your scene's key light. This controls where speculars fall. Make sure to match camera exposure and white balance to the HDRI midtones so colors read correctly. If edges look harsh, add slight blur or lower intensity to blend the HDRI with practical lights, and scrub the timeline to check movement. To finish, render using a workflow that preserves 32-bit precision. Send to Media Encoder or the render queue with linearize options enabled so tone mapping is accurate. Once rendered, inspect highlights and shadows. If speculars clip or block, lower the camera exposure, reduce HDRI intensity, or enable highlight compression in your tone map. This prevents blown whites. If reflections look off, rotate the HDRI or tweak roughness on materials. A quick troubleshooting tip: if colors shift, check color management and monitor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.